Very exciting. My new DeWalt 7¼ inch top saw just got dropped off. I'm going to unbox it, set it up, try it out, give it a review. This is a 7¼ inch cordless sliding compound miter saw, DCS361B. I got this thing on Amazon. I'll put a link to it. It's a 20-volt portable lightweight sliding chop saw. All right, see what we have here. It's our miter gauge. Full lock, unlock. Detents at 45. Here's where the blade wrench goes. Kind of nice. Clamp goes either side. Take the battery out. Check this blade. There's a spindle lock. Right there. So reverse studs on there. This locks it down. This locks the slide. Cool trigger safety, a little tricky. You gotta push it back. See here. Trigger safety is a little, you have to go this way. So you gotta grab it there. And then it'll start. This thing's cool right here. This is a light with no shadow cast. So that puts a light down there. I like that a lot. All right, I got a nice soft piece of pine here. Let's see how this thing works. Brand new blade, but man, that's clean. A little bit of blowout on the back. Very nice. A super heavy, dense piece of maple. Very clean cut. Like that. Mark on there. Hard to see with the shadow. Turn the light on. Oh, that's cool. You see exactly where the blade is. Well, that's perfectly square. Perfectly square. Very nice. Get this out. That's it in square. Have set screws right here for adjustments on the bevel. These and these. And then on the miter, you can move this around for adjustments here. Maybe one of my favorite things is this side handle is really nice. That's actually super easy to carry. Really like these side handles a lot. So you're not carrying it like this. Make sure safety first. Battery's out whenever you're moving it or adjusting it or anything. Don't use a tool you haven't been trained in using. That's super nice right there. Oh, I love this thing so far. I have that Festool Kapex saw, and it's just so hard to bring out to the job site. Just big and cumbersome, hard to move around. Thought I'd get a 7 1/4, flooring, trim, framing, building this house. I just want it really lightweight and maneuverable, not worrying about a plug or anything. I think this is it. I like this thing a lot. Works great so far.